we are going to open a new box from Malabrigo, and guess what? We have new ultimate sock, and it's a new sock yarn made by Malabrigo, and we have almost, oh my god, almost, I have to count, maybe more than 35 colors. Maybe some ultimate.
Oh, unicorn bark.
Ultimate. My favorite.
We'll give a close up to Soren's favorite.
My favorite.
Malabrigo.
My favorite. Black and white. Oh my gosh, I love this. Frank Ochre. Beautiful. It's only soft. Ultimate. No, ultimate. Yeah. Frank Ochre. Feeders.
Here's Frank Ochre.
There you go. Frank. Here is April 7. Oh, this is something new. We never had this.
Patrick, that's
737. It's beautiful green. Wow, very nice. This is new too. We never had this. Something new.
Carpet.
This is new too. Caramel. We never have this.
Ooh, that's pretty.
Wow, pretty colors. And this is ultimate. This one we have. This one we have Zulfundo. So this is all. And some of the new nice. We have a new hat pattern. Then we have a more cowl pattern, and then it's yeah, they're all same. Cute, nice. Oh